how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean, Mary Beanmas. For today's look, I took inspiration from the Grinch and I did all this green, and I really like how it came out. If you want to watch me create this very shimmery green look, then just keep watching. We're going to get Grinchy today with our makeup. I got my Grinch shirt on and everything. We're going to be using predominantly the James Charles palette for this look. I feel like I've been using this as the ultimate Christmas palette, and it's really not. It's just conveniently good for having a good red and a good green. But we're going to start by taking this dark green right here. My eyes are primed already with my Fenty Beauty primer, and I did not set it with shadow. And I'm just taking that on a pencil brush, actually. And I just want this tucked literally right in the crease. I don't want this taken too far up because I'm going to be blending it out with other shades. So we're just popping that right there in the crease. This is gonna come as no surprise, but I want this look just to be very blown out and grungy and green and cute, and I can't wait to have it on my face. I'm also gonna go ahead and smoke this out underneath the lower lash line as well, because I know I'm gonna want that there anyways. It's actually daytime right now as I'm filming this, which is shocking. I've been filming a lot of these Christmas looks at night after I get home from working all day. But we're being extra productive today. I'm filming one now, and I'll probably film another one later today. Dipping into the palette again, I'm going to mix these two greens together. And I'm just taking that on a slightly larger brush, but still not a huge brush. And we're just going to start blending right above what we just did, just to start building up that gradient. These greens are super, super easy to work with in this palette. They blend so nice. They're so creamy.
Stink, stank, stunk.
And I'm also taking this underneath the lower lash line as well, underneath where we already blew out the darker green. One of my friends is coming over soon, and we're going to decorate Christmas cookies, and I'm really excited. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow. I'm not going to go too ham with the yellow, I just want a little pop of it. And I'm just taking that on a larger blending brush, and we're just blending right at the very edge of all of this kind of shape.
Mangled up in tangled up.
Now I'm going to be taking the Apocalyptic Beauty Wildcraft loose shadow. It's the one that I got in this month's Apocalyptic Beauty box. If you haven't seen that video already, you can go watch it. The shadow is so pretty. It's like this really pretty reflective green kind of color. When I use this shade, I learned that I pretty much need a glitter glue to make this shade pop, so I'm just taking the NYX glitter primer. It's my all-time favorite glitter glue. And I'm just taking it on the same flat shadow brush that I'm going to use to pack the shade all over my lid. And it doesn't have to be anything too crazy precise because I'm just going to blend it into what we have going on. But I'm just taking some of that green and packing it on. Ugh. This is such a good green. I said it in the Apocalyptic Beauty video, and I will say it again. It is such a good green for Christmas time. Oh, it's so pretty. It has these really pretty gold, how many times am I gonna say pretty? It has these really elegant gold sparkles, and it's so perfect. I literally can't get enough of this shade. It's 100% the best shade I've ever gotten in an Apocalyptic Beauty bag. And I like most of the shades that I get in those bags, so. Now I'm gonna take that second brush we were blending with. I don't have any additional product or anything. I'm just gonna pop this around the edges just so it's nice and seamless and smoked out. And then I'm just taking that blending brush that we used third, just because I feel like this outer corner could be blended just a tad bit more. And that's basically it. This look is pretty simple. You could even leave it as this. I'm going to highlight my inner corner by mixing the light gold and the light white. Light white. Can a white be dark? Get it together, Betty Jean. We're gonna highlight the inner corner with that. For me, grungy and Christmas and glitter go hand in hand in hand. So I'm going to take the Moon Ritual Apocalyptic Beauty glitter that we got in this month's bag. It looks like this. It's lots of different chunks and shapes and different kinds of greens and golds and yellows, and it's going to be so pretty. And this color I kind of want popped all in the inner corner area. So I'm just taking a little pencil brush and some more glitter primer, and I'm going to take this all up in this inner corner zone, just patting it around kind of sporadically. And then we're going to take some of that glitter and just start laying it in there. There are different, like there's leaves and stuff in here, which you could leave if you want, but I'm mostly just focused on the actual glitters. There's some little moons I'm getting in here, but I don't really mind. So I like exactly what this looks like. However, I want to just kind of tight line my upper waterline and regular waterline. This is the Marc Jacobs Blacker eyeliner pencil, just because I feel like a little more depth needs to be added to this look. Cool, that's kind of exactly the effect I was going for. I'm just going to take that first pencil brush with no additional product just to smudge it just a tad little bit. And now I'm going to do the other eye, pop on my lashes, and we'll do something fun with the lips, and I swear I'll actually do it on camera this time. Alright, my lashes are on. They are the Flutter Lashes Lovable lashes. They're just cute and dainty and usually not my style, but I don't know, it's just kind of what I felt like wearing today. For my lips, I'm going to mix Crocodile Tears and Equality from Jeffree Star on my lips, and I think that's what I want to do. I'm going to start with Crocodile Tears and then pop Equality over top of it.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. You're a foul one, foul Mr. Grinch.
Now I also want to be a tiny bit extra and throw that green Apocalyptic Beauty shadow on top because on the back it says it is lip safe, so I want to pop some of this on my lips too. Because why not? I think that'll look really cute. Just taking it on my brush. Oh yes.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black pea.
I love absolutely everything about that. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever put on my mouth. That's it. This is the full look. I hope you like it. I feel grinchy and Christmassy and really cute. Even though I guess saying you're feeling grinchy and Christmassy doesn't really make sense. But whatever, we'll let it slide. I like wearing all this green. I think it's really cute. I like this lip color a lot, actually. What do you guys think of this look? How do you feel like Mary Beanmas is going so far? I'm excited to make some Christmas cookies today. Let me know what your favorite Christmassy treat is. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.